Hello friends, welcome to another video of Civil Engineer. In this video we will cover our next question, that is difference between C30 and M30 concrete grade. Hello friends, so I answer you this question as C30 is 28 days 30 megapascal compressive strength of sample that was prepared in cylinder, and the size of cylinder is 6 inch in diameter, 6 inches dia of the cylinder, and 12 inch is the height of cylinder. And now what is M30? M30 is 28 days 30 megapascal compressive strength of sample that is prepared in cubes, and the size of cube is 150 centimeter 15 centimeter multiplied by 15 centimeter multiplied by 15 centimeter. So let's say it is A, let's say it is B, let's say it is C. So the three dimensions of cubes are 15 centimeter multiplied by 15 centimeter and multiplied by 15 centimeter. So dear friends, as we know that cylindrical strength of sample in 28 days is less than cubical strength of sample in 28 days by 0.8 time. So why is so? Why cylindrical strength is always less than cubical strength of same mix? So I will answer these questions. The reason is, as we know that the size of cylinder is 6 inch dia and 12 inch height, while the cube is 6 inch in all the dimensions. The third dimension is also 6 inch. So when it is placed in a machine, simple machine, to test the sample, so when force is applied, so this force on the cubic sample acts as biaxial as a whole. So here L by 2 and here L by 2. Similarly, from here to here L by 2 and L by 2. So the sample is not free to expand from any direction. That is why the strength of this sample is more, and why cylindrical sample strength is less. The reason is, when it is placed in testing machine, its force acts by this one length acts as biaxial, while in this portion no force acts from this side. So therefore from this to this portion of the cylinder is free to expand. That is why in this plane or in this area the sample is free to expand and crushes so quickly. That is the main reason that C is less than M, where C is cylindrical compressive strength of 28 days and M is cubical compressive strength of 28 days. So we should remember that C30 is not equal to M30. In this regard, we can say that M20 is almost equal to C16, while M25 is equal to C20. So I hope you like this video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe the channel.